Welcome back. The inaugural session of the 16th Lok Sabha will be held from 4th to 11th of June. The decision was taken by the Narendra Modi-led Union Cabinet in its second meeting held on Thursday. The newly elected MPs would be sworn in, followed by the election of the Speaker. President Pranab Mukherjee will also address a joint sitting of the two houses during the session. Modi, with his 10-point agenda, has asked ministers to focus on efficiency, delivery and implementation.
The Union Cabinet met today and has decided to convene the 16th Lok Sabha first session on 4th of this month, June. At the end of the presidential address debate, the Honorable Prime Minister will be replying in both the houses.
Meanwhile, Modi, who addressed his second cabinet meet, has listed down a 10-point priority list for his government.
What are going to be your priorities? What is your program? What is your timetable? You work out and then try to implement it. And then he also suggested that the representation or the proposals that have come from states, they should not be kept pending for long. They should be addressed on priorities. And he has also suggested that all the cabinet ministers should take their MOS into confidence. He'll be meeting the ministers, he'll be meeting the secretaries, because a new team, new government.
As per the sources, cabinet expansion is expected to be after 15th June. That is before the budget session of Parliament. 25 new ministers, including Minister of States, would be inducted. A new defence minister will be named in the cabinet. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government is contemplating filing contempt petition if Karnataka government deliberately floats the tribunal's directions. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni will visit Madel site on Friday to inspect the work. Tribunal's deadline for Karnataka government to block the Karsa Canal work is 31st May.
With just 2 days left for the deadline to end for the Kalsa Canal, the work seems to be at snail's pace. Advocate General informed that a contempt petition will be filed against the Karnataka government if the blockade work remains incomplete.
On 21st, when they met, they recorded. 27th, they had gone. They have again recorded that there is non-compliance, this, that and all. So 27th, I gave a legal opinion to the state government that please go ahead and make all preparations for filing a contempt petition against the WRD Minister, Government of Karnataka, Principal Secretary and the Chief Engineer. If there is a court order, you are required to comply with that order. The time given was sufficient. There was enough time till 31st of May to complete it. But they deliberately were trying to delay it. And we gave a legal notice that we are going to do this if you don't complete.
Advocate General, along with Principal Secretary, engineers, members of Monitoring Committee and government advocates would inspect the site on Friday.
I am going to Kangumbi and other places to see what exactly they have done. Because earlier they were saying part of that has collapsed. It is all their own doing. Whatever is collapsed, it is their own making. So I am going tomorrow to see what exactly has happened. See, if they have already brought it up to 1 meter, etc., then I think that is sufficient right now. But of course, it should be blocked as per the tribunal's order. But if you have already brought it up to 1 meter, then it will show that you did not have the intent, deliberate intent of flouting the order, which until now, it appeared that they were trying to delay the whole thing.
Reporter Sachin Surlikar with Sushant Pal for Prudent.
Ram Sene Chief Pramod Muthallik is again in the news. Congress has filed a police complaint against him for his alleged derogatory remarks. Congress claims that Muthallik had appealed Hindus to arm themselves with swords. Congress has demanded immediate action against Muthallik and Hindu Janjagriti Samiti for posting the video on social website.
Congress spokesperson Durgadas Kamath says it's government's responsibility to maintain peace and harmony. Congress has filed a complaint against Ram Sene Chief Pramod Muthallik for making derogatory remarks. Congress has asked the police to initiate inquiry against Hindu Janjagriti Samiti for making the video viral on social website.
Muthallikan, the Pramod Muthallik, Ram Sene chief, and परत म्हाका दिसता 10-15 दिसा पयलीं परत एक स्टेटमेंट काडलो की आपल्यान जे गेल्या वर्सा रामनाथीक जे ताणें भाशण दिल्लें की तलवारे वाडटलो प्रत्येक हिंदू घरान आनी गरज पडली जाल्यार तलवारांक जे विरोध करतात ती तलवार ताणें युजाक घालपाक त्या लोकांनी युजाक घालपाक जाय हाजेर आमी आज कंप्लेंट लॉन्च केल्ली आसा आनी नाव द बॉल इज इन गव्हर्मेंट्स कोर्ट टू रजिस्टर द FIR अँड गो फॉरवर्ड कारण मुख्यमंत्र्यान खंय तरी स्टेटमेंट दिलें की आज पर्यंत कंप्लेंट येवना म्हणून आमी अजून एक्ट करूना म्हणून सो आमी आतां कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर केल्ली आसा आनी हिंदू जनजागृती समितीन हो ताजो व्हिडिओ युट्यूबार घातला which comes in the ambit of section 66A so तांचेरूय आमी कंप्लेंट केल्ली आसा काँग्रेस पार्टी मागता की सरकारान हाजेर एक्ट करून FIR लॉन्च करून हाजेर मुखार वच.
Congress has also appealed BJP minority MLAs to react on CM Parrikar's statement comparing Pramod Mutalik with Father Cedric Prakash as two sides of the same coin.
I don't think so. You can compare Mr. Mutalik with Father Cedric because I think he has never made any statement of distributing swords, nor Cedric has attacked any pub. So I think it's and I think BJP minority MLA should come clean on this because they should, whether they endorse the CM statement, they should come open on this.
Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.